Did you know that around 1 in 4 people suffer from bad breath at some point in their lives? Yeah, that's right. So have you ever found yourself in an embarrassing situation where you were too scared to talk close to someone? Stick around because today we're tackling halitosis once and for all. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us. Bad breath, or as the fancy folks call it, halitosis. It's not just a minor annoyance. It can seriously impact your daily life and social interactions. Let's face it, nobody wants to be the person that others avoid because of their breath. So what causes this dreaded bad breath? Well, it often starts with poor oral hygiene. If you're not brushing and flossing regularly, food particles can get stuck between your teeth and start to decay, leading to that unpleasant odor. But it's not just that. Certain foods like garlic and onions can also contribute to bad breath, as they release strong-smelling compounds when digested. And don't forget about health issues. Conditions like gum disease, dry mouth, or even certain medical conditions can lead to persistent halitosis. With so many factors at play, it's no wonder many of us struggle with this issue. Now that we know what causes bad breath, let's talk about how to combat it. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.